What's the date today? The date is 20th of January. This is where we've camped last night. These are our security guards. Police car. This is where we are. The restaurant is over there where we ate last night, where we ate for free, might I add. The guy was well sound. There's a little dog there. Coming up to a city called Sukkur in Pakistan, and this video is going to be day of, or 2 days of cycling and bikepacking through Pakistan. A couple of dogs here, chickens. Hello. Buck, 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 buck. So I have you for breakfast. This is a right spot, and we're look where we are. We're properly hidden away around there. So I'm surprised the police didn't come with me then, because they seem to follow us everywhere. They had to take me to the toilet last night. They reckon it's the most dangerous road in Pakistan, this. That's what they told us yesterday. Basically, for the last since Karachi, I've been cycling with two other guys, one other guy and one girl, who have been travelling together for a while. And they are Moti and Alex. Moti is cycling on this bike here, and Moti's from Iran, and Alex is, as long as it's not too dark in here, yeah, it's right, on this bike. Now I know what you're thinking. What on earth is that? That's what I thought. It's kind of like a bike on top of a bike. It's the only way I can describe it. And then he's got a trailer at the back, because there's also a dog for which he picked up in Serbia called Nova. I'm going to nip to the toilet. I'll show you the toilets and the showers, and then we'll hit the road where they get the water from to clean. And what we've got over here is showers. So that's a standard shower, and then around here we have the toilets, so that's not too bad. That's quite a good toilet actually, fairly clean. Lock on the door, yeah, this isn't too bad. Can you go round? Not that way. Okay, so we've come off the main road. Keep going. We've come onto like what I think is the old national highway, which is like a little loop round. Just for a change of scenery, get off the main road, less traffic, less, as you've seen, there's a lot of big vehicles on there, they go super quick. Can't be arsed with that. Yeah, so this is where we are. Looks like the building, or have a train track here. Looks fairly well kept actually. Just going over the bridge. So if you're wondering what it's like ridden, this is his bike, a Moti, with the police behind. The air quality's been really poor, so I've got this buff on just because I'm here for quite a long time and I don't want to take any chances, so to speak. So just coming back past the escort here, tucked back in behind him. I'm drafting the whole time, it's brilliant. But yeah, this is what his bike looks like ridden, with Nova in the back there. Get a chai. This is the little spot. Got some tables, got a little bit of a crowd forming. Some chai over here. This is cool. Hello, can we get free chai? Free chai?
No. Chai today. Free no, 30 rupees chai, half 30 rupees, full 50 rupees.
Yeah, no problem. Free full. We're just gonna have some chai and then keep moving. So I'm not too sure where we are, but we're going through a pretty rural village. Yeah, always lots of beeping, lots of bikes everywhere, quite a lot going on. We're currently stuck behind a wagon with a load of sugarcane on the back. There's actually a couple of big lakes here. I don't know, well that's more like a pit. But there's a big lake there. I don't know whether they do fishing in there or not, but I bet it's not the same kind of fishing we do in England. But that's well, I bet they eat carp out here and all that, don't they? So I've seen some rum fish on the stalls. We've just stopped again for, I'm going to have some bread here, hopefully they've got it because they didn't at the last spot. And we were crowded around, but our police escort are getting shut. Yeah, this is where we are currently. Shit. Bought some honey the other day, £1.20 or something, and I'm just having it on bread. It's a nice substitution while I can't get all the jam. It's loud in here, it's loud. Okay, so far we've done just over 26k, nice and steady. Average speed is 13.4k an hour. Really nice and easy, really. We're not pushing anything, just taking it nice and steady, enjoying the scenery. It's actually nice scenery here. Hello. Tea spot there. River with buffaloes in. Got all these buffaloes here. How are you? UK. The buffaloes, I found out the other day, cost the equivalent of the same as my drone, which is oh, he's lobbing stones at the buffaloes. Yeah, they cost 700 quid. Nice palm trees, and that over there is I think that's an entrance to a village. Not really sure. got our police escort behind, and yeah, we'll see what. We're usually doing about 50k at the moment, so a day. So I'm not too sure what that is, but it's over 1,000 years old apparently. Not sure about that, but it's mega. Sometimes the road conditions are shambolic. They tend to be, it's weird, they tend to be worse in like village centres and town centres. This is like some tea shops. Fruit stalls. No one wears helmets here, apart from us. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Apart from nearly cutting me off. How young were that farmer?
Biology, botany.
Yeah.
These are different branches of the science.
Thank you.
What do you like in food by my side?
Sorry?
My side. What do you like in food this time?
Oh, sun is starting to dip. I'm currently on my own, so I've just stood in dog turd. Yeah, look at this scenery. Unbelievable scenes. That's what happens when you come off the main road. It's great stuff. How are you doing? You okay? He's not a clue what I'm saying. How are you? The boys. Youngsters playing cricket. I'm better than all of them. Look at them on there. There's a random guy in the back of our police escort taking us to the hostel. Don't know how much it is, don't know what it is. I've no idea what to expect. I'm not really sure where we're going. Right, we have arrived at a university. We're just negotiating where we can stay. He's cycling around. Moti's still on a bike. They're still debating whether to let us stay or not. We'll see what happens in the next 5 minutes. I think we may be in. We're being escorted down the driveway anyway. Here we are. Boss man. But it's a gaff. Could be a hot shower here, which would be the first one since Oman, which was like 3 weeks ago. This is nice.
Yes, yes.
It's good. Awesome. Thank you very much. Brilliant.
Your bedroom.
Ah, awesome. Thank you. TV?
Two mates, 1 bed.
Come on, please be warm.
Save some for me.
Next, please. Next, my turn. Fuck you, Alan.
Hot water. That was wonderful. So we're going for a walk into town, get some food. They won't let us go on our own, so we've got an armed guard with us behind. He's just walking behind with an AK-47. Not allowed to go on our own, which is a bit annoying, but it is what it is.
Ah, a lot of shops here. Wow. There's going to be jam in one of these shops. It's got to be.
Yeah, we'll get some jam. Fruit stalls. Fruit stalls open at this time of night. We're going to check out the food before buying. Ah. Vegetable. Oh, what's in that? Potato?
Yes, potato.
Oh, right, okay.
Mixed vegetable.
Right, okay.
Yes.
Right, we've ordered scran. As you can see, we've got our guard with his AK. This is the restaurant anyway. It's alright in here. Good little spot. Get down. Get down. This is Nova. I actually don't mind it as a dog.
What a boy.
Vegetable, bread, solid. And to finish, the meal. So for my food there, I had a bowl of vegetables, 3 breads, and a plate of salad. And I've just done the conversion and it cost £1.68. And I'm full, completely full. 12 bars of chocolate in this box and it's cost me about £1.50. We've just got back, good scran. Are we watching a film?
Yeah, that's all.
We're going to watch a film. Peace out everyone.